everyone, my name is Emily and welcome to my channel. So I am so excited about this video. In today's video, I am doing a Bellabox unboxing. However, it is not just any Bellabox, it is a collaboration. So I am so excited about this because I've been receiving Bellabox for a while now and I absolutely love Bellabox. Like, it is the best thing ever. But this is the first time that I've received a special box, like a collaboration box. So when I saw it in the mail, I just needed to get straight into it because it is a good one. I'm so excited. If you guys do enjoy this video, be sure to give it a massive thumbs up for me. Consider subscribing to my channel. Why did I just clap? Like, yeah, subscribe. Woo! I need some serious help. Consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here or you haven't already, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss a video that I post. So if you want to see this really awesome, exciting collaboration through Bellabox, then just keep watching. So guys, like I said, this is a Bellabox unboxing. However, this one is a special one. So Bellabox is collaborating with Ecotan and Eco by Sonya Driver to make this really amazing collaboration box. I'm so excited. This is the biggest Bellabox I've ever received. Should I tell you guys one more time how damn excited I am? So in the parcel, it did come with this as well, but it didn't fit in the box, so it was just wrapped like that. But I will get into that later. So I'll show you guys what this special Bellabox looks like. Okay, so when I was showing you this side, I was like looking into her soul. She was just looking at me. That was really funny. So I literally can't wait any longer. This is coming off because I want to get in this box. It's so pretty. So as always, I have the two cards. One of them is a letter from Bellabox and one of them is the product card. So I will keep this letter aside because they're also special to me, and I will keep this one in front of me so as I pull items out, I can read you what is going on in the product. How cute is this crate paper too? I love well packaged things. Let's just put it that way. I love that this is a tanning box because, as you guys know, I love fake tan. It is a necessity for me. My hands are always like messed up, but I can deal with that because I'm so pale naturally and I do not sunbake at all because my skin doesn't tan, and also my dad has had that many bits and pieces cut off him due to melanoma that I just don't see the point in laying in the sun and ruining my skin and causing potential damage that could really upset my family later in life. So I slip, slop, slap every time. Fake tan products are literally a must for me. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is what isn't in the box. It was packaged next to the box because it doesn't fit. So this is the Ecotan Extreme Exfoliant Glove, essential for best tanning results. Made with natural plant fibers and eco dyes. Use wet or as a dry body buff. This is so handy. I have had my exfoliating mitt for way too long. Like, I don't even want to say how long I've had it. It's a long time. I'm not sure how often you should replace something like that, but I just have this feeling that maybe I should have replaced it by now. So, hello, I don't have to now. Okay, so I'm going straight to the product card. So, like I said, this is from Ecotan and it is the Extreme Exfoliant Glove. Remove self-tan and combat ingrown hairs, flaky dry skin, and rough uneven surfaces with this eco-friendly and reusable exfoliating glove. This little miracle worker can be used wet or dry and will remove tan without the use of any toxic chemicals. That's what I like. So the recommended retail price for this extreme glove is $19.50. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm really excited to take this fake tan off with this glove and try out some of these new products. So the next thing that I've gone ahead and pulled out is Eco by Sonya Driver, and this is coconut deodorant. I have never heard of coconut deodorant. So this is only organic and natural ingredients. It's unisex, and yes, it works. This is also vegan. Cool. It also does have a little gold sticker saying it's an award winner, so I'm curious to see what award this won. Oh, it's roll-on. That smells so good. That smells really damn good. So this is from Eco by Sonya Driver, and it is the coconut deodorant. I love coconut. I absolutely love the smell of coconut. I love the taste of coconut. I love everything about coconuts. I'm just coconuts for coconuts, and this literally smells so good. So on the back of the card it says free from aluminium, synthetic ingredients and parabens. This all natural deodorant includes chamomile and lavender to help mask unpleasant body odors and keep you fresh throughout the day. I am so excited to use this because it smells so good, and I'm actually really curious to see the longevity of this, if it's gonna last throughout the day and stuff. But first, on my arm, it smells amazing. So the recommended retail price for this coconut deodorant is $14.95. Okay, on to the next product. This is also from Eco by Sonya Driver, and this is the Skin Compost Face Compost. Wow. So it's a 7-minute mask, and it's for all skin types, and it's certified organic, it's Australian. Wow, vegan. This sounds really, really good. Skin compost. Doesn't it sound like something you would just grow your vegetables in? So on the back of the card, it says that this is a face compost, harnessing the superpowers of spinach, chlorella, chia seeds, acai, avocado and more. This nutrient-rich 7-minute face mask feeds your skin and leaves you feeling fresh, rejuvenated and hydrated. I am literally gonna try this out when I take this makeup off. So the recommended retail price for this face compost 7-minute mask is $34.95. Okay, on to the next. What am I pulling out? Ooh, it's a glass bottle. It looks like a medicine bottle, like cough medicine. So this is from Ecotan, and again, it's only using organic and natural ingredients, vegan, made in Australia. These products just sound so great. I'm so excited. This is called the Face Tan Water. I have never heard of a face tanning water. It also does have a little sticker saying it is the Janie Loves 2017 Platinum Awards winner. I've never heard of something like this. I'm gonna read you what it says on the back of the card. So this face tan water, keep that summer sun-kissed glow all year round with this gradual liquid tan specifically created for face, neck and décolletage. With an anti-aging and anti-acne formula, face tan water locks in moisture without clogging pores and delivers subtle color to your palette without risk from the sun's harmful rays. Anti-acne, anti-aging, and a face tanner. Oh my goodness, I literally need to try these ASAP. Is $29.95. Okay, I'm on to my last product, and this is from Ecotan. It is a Beauty Shortlist Awards 2017 winner, and again, only organic and natural ingredient. This range literally sounds incredible. So this is called the Invisible Tan Self-Tanning Cream for medium to olive skin tones. Delivers a rich golden tan in one application. No hidden nasties. I don't have medium skin tone, so I'm really curious to see what kind of color this turns out on pale skin. I'm really scared because I have somewhere to go on Thursday, so if it looks funky, So I get really nervous trying new fake tans, especially when they're cream, because I always use mousse. But I will read the instructions and see how I go with that one. So on the back of the card, it says, in just one application of this nourishing tanning cream, Invisible Tan delivers a beautiful and believable golden bronze glow without anything artificial or synthetic. The recommended retail price for the Invisible Tan is $34.95. And the recommended retail price for the face tan water, I was already so excited to be chosen to receive this collaboration box. I'm so happy. Like, you can tell my cheeks are just beaming right now. Products literally look amazing. I am so excited to try them out. Let me guys know if you want a separate video on all these products, because I've never actually heard of these products. They all seem pretty unique. Obviously I've tried a exfoliating mitt and I've tried deodorant, but this is obviously a different kind of deodorant. If enough of you want to see a full-on review, I can totally organize that for you guys and whatnot. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox my Bellabox. You guys know how much I love Bellabox. For those of you who don't know what Bellabox is, basically it's a monthly beauty subscription service. It will cost you $17.95 per month, and you get a box of 5+ either sample size, deluxe size, or full size items in that box delivered straight to your door. I have made Bellabox videos for so long that I can literally just spiel that out. I used to pay for my own Bellabox, and I have always stood by Bellabox even when I was paying for them, and now I'm just super lucky that Bellabox do send it to me for free to unbox for you guys here on YouTube or Instagram. For anyone that wants to try out lots of different beauty products but you don't want to go and spend the full amount straight away, for example, sometimes you'll get a product of like a moisturizer and the recommended retail price might be like $40, but you'll get a really good deluxe size sample. So instead of going out and spending $40 on that moisturizer not knowing if you're gonna like it, you get a deluxe sample. So you get multiple uses out of the sample, and then you know if you want to spend your hard-earned money on the full-size product. That is a very rough example, but that is why I personally love Bellabox, because I've found some amazing goodies, and I've also saved some money because not everything in my Bellabox has always worked out for me, but I didn't have to go out and pay the full price. And I haven't received a Bellabox that wasn't value for money. So I always look at what I've got in the Bellabox, compare it to the $17.95. It always beats the $17.95. So it's really a no-brainer. So guys, just a quick mention, all of these products are available at ecotan.com.au. And I just read on the back of the card here, Ecotan and Eco by Sonya Driver products are certified organic, all natural, Australian made, vegan tan, body and face, toxic free and cruelty free. So that is the whole range. That is really great. I live with a vegan and she is gonna love this stuff. Okay guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you've made it this far through the video. I will love you forever. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video that I post. Bye!